Hi, I'm Jeff Hartwig with Cordia Consulting. Going to be talking today about unlocking contact center excellence with AWS and Amazon Connect. A couple problem statements we have with hospitals is that the radiology modality utilization, or the MRIs and X-ray technology, is under leveraged, which means under revenue. And so we want to be able to get improved the problem with lost revenue, and we want to have speed to diagnoses. We also want to be able to have some expense control. The cost of a voice call with an agent, generally on average, is $45,000 a year. We want to be able to start to move those to more AI-enabled services and be able to take care of OpEx. A couple of benefits we have with Amazon Connect is that we've seen a 57% improvement of scheduled radiology assets within 3 months of deploying the solution. What that means is we essentially implemented dialer technology to have outbound contact with patients to schedule more effectively, increasing asset utilization for radiology equipment, as well as be able to have that speed to diagnosis. We also have another benefit snapshot of having a 40% reduction in patient wait times at switchboards. So switchboard technology, fairly antiquated technology. People wait on hold for a very long time. We need to start to move from a voice call to an AI-enabled call for things like reducing hold times, be able to connect to a patient room, and be able to connect to an employee at the hospital. We also have the ability to have a 70% reduction of time spent on hold for wait times for critical caregivers seeking insurance authorizations. A lot of authorization declines are hitting these days. It's a big trend. So people are waiting on phones a very long time. What we'd like to be able to see is create a Lexbot to enable waiting for somebody to pick up the phone on the other end, and then improve productivity. So not a lot of people wait on hold at the moment. So a couple of solutions we have: the technology, one of which is the one I was mentioning earlier around maximizing radiology assets. We have a lot of integration with Epic, so we want to be able to take a work list, ingest it, make outbound calls, make outbound SMSs, and also be able to enable a chatbot. We also want to leverage voice enablement cost using the Lex platform, Alexa for Healthcare, and we want to be able to do that within a switchboard example. So we want to be able to take Amazon Connect, intercept an inbound call using Lex, a Lexbot, understanding what's happening there, and be able to say, can I have a interaction with connecting to a patient room, connecting to an employee, or other service? For example, sounds like, Jeff, you're calling in today. It sounds like you have an appointment tomorrow. Would you like me to send you the directions to your cell phone? Yes, I would. End of call, never hits an agent. So this technology also enables on the front end, and on the back end, we essentially have, as I'll show in my demo, the Amazon Q agent enablement, which makes the agent more productive. So from an agent workspace perspective, the heart of the agent happens here. On the left side, we have an inbound call coming in. So we have call control with hold, mute, number pads, the ability to quick connect. In the center, we have a lot of buttons that allow us to get to directions, non-emergency code calls, code blue calls, and also have the ability on the right-hand side to increase automation and knowledge for the agent. Amazon Q and Connect is one of the best add-ins for this particular package these days. It's helping agent productivity significantly. So what you'll see here is a call coming in. There'll be a transcription of the call between the agent and the patient. In this particular case, there was a cardiac arrest. So the switchboard is saying we have a code blue situation. A suggestion from Amazon Q is that there's a cardiac incident. The agent can click on that and have the ability to have a step-by-step guide that is populated through the LLM backend. Here, and then I can follow, as an agent, I can follow the code blue. So that's our demo for today, and I really appreciate you having us here, and thank you very much.